Welcome to my channel.
iPhone 14 Plus with 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display goes on sale in India today. iPhone 14 Plus is finally available in the Indian market starting from Friday. It was the only smartphone from the newly launched iPhone 14 series that did not go on sale in the country in September. This handset borrows most of its specifications from the vanilla iPhone 14 aside from the significant bump in display size and battery life. Under the hood, it gets the same A15 Bionic SoC that powers the regular iPhone 14. The front and rear camera configurations are also identical. iPhone 14 Plus price in India. Availability: the iPhone 14 Plus can now be purchased from the Apple India online store, Flipkart, and Amazon. It comes in 3 storage configurations: 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB, that are priced at 89,900 rupees, 99,900 rupees, and Rs. 19,900, respectively. This Apple smartphone gets blue, midnight, purple, starlight, and product red color options. iPhone 14 Plus specifications. Features: this handset gets a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with a 1284 by 2778 pixels resolution and 1200 nits of peak brightness. The iPhone 14 Plus has a sturdy aluminium design with a ceramic shield on the front and a glass back. It is rated at IP68 for dust and water resistance. The iPhone 14 Plus gets the A15 Bionic SoC that also powers the regular iPhone 14. The camera configurations of these two smartphones are also identical. There is a 12-megapixel dual rear camera setup and a 12-megapixel front true depth camera. These cameras are capable of recording up to 4K videos at 60 frames per second. It runs on iOS 16 and only offers Face ID as a biometric option. Apple claims that this smartphone's battery can provide up to 26 hours of video playtime compared to the 20 hours of video playback support of the vanilla iPhone 14. Also, the iPhone 14 Plus supports 20W or higher wired charging and up to 15W MagSafe wireless charging. The handset is 7.8mm thin and weighs about 203 g, the company claims.